Hi, it's me, Simone. I am turning an original drawing into a 3-layer block print. Let me show you how. Today I'm going to go from this to this using my favorite Speedball products. I've listed all of my supplies here for you to do it yourself. Once you've become familiar with block printing, you might want to try printing with multiple layers. This will take a little bit of planning. I'm starting by sketching out my design on my iPad, but paper works just fine. I'm playing with color to see where I can combine elements to end up with 3 blocks that I will ultimately print on top of each other to get my desired end design. Once I'm happy with my design, I'm going to print the individual layers so that I can trace them with tracing paper and transfer them to my rubber blocks. Then we use our Speedball Lino cutter set to start carving. I've got all 3 blocks ready and we can start printing. I'm starting with my background block. You can see where I carved away so that the ice cream would be white. And I'm using Speedball block printing ink in the color turquoise. For the second layer, I am mixing magenta and white. Now I'm just going to go slow here and eyeball it. You can certainly use registration tabs or other methods, but this is how I find it easiest to print in multiple layers. For the final layer, I'm going to be doing a rainbow roll. This is actually where the whole idea of the ice cream print originally started. I knew I wanted to do some type of print incorporating a rainbow roll, and I thought it would be really cute on the sprinkles. So I am mixing magenta, yellow, and blue here. And then we'll use a separate brayer to get the orange of the cone. And then again, just go slow, line it up, and print your last layer. This print would be super cute for a summer party invitation or kid's birthday party, or just pop it into a frame and hang it on the wall. Now that you know how to block print with multiple layers, I can't wait to see what you make. Be sure to follow along for more carving and crafting videos. Okay, bye!